Welcome to the best picks. The best bathroom tile paint is probably one of the most transformative and budget-friendly solutions for anyone looking to refresh their bathroom without the hassle and expense of a full renovation, offering a durable, water-resistant finish that can completely revitalize outdated or tired tiles, making your space feel brand new with just a few coats. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit, White. Transform your old tub and tile with this easy-to-use refinishing kit. It provides a fresh, white finish that revitalizes your bathroom's look. This kit features a tough, 2-part epoxy acrylic formula. It's designed to withstand moisture and resist corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting finish. You can prepare and paint your surfaces all in the same day. This efficient process saves you time and effort on your renovation project. For best results, mix parts A and B separately, then combine them for 2 minutes. Be sure to use it within 6 hours of mixing for optimal performance. Each kit covers up to 110 square feet, and 2 coats are highly recommended for a complete transformation. Allow 1 to 2 hours between coats. Allow it to dry for 3 days before exposing it to water. Remember to adequately ventilate your area by opening windows and using a fan during application. Always properly prep your surface and thoroughly read all directions included in the kit before starting your project. This ensures the best possible outcome. What we like. This kit offers a tough, 2-part epoxy acrylic formula for maximum durability. It's designed to withstand moisture and resist corrosion, making it ideal for high-traffic wet areas. If you're looking for a long-lasting, robust finish that covers a large area, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. PentaUSA Tile Grout Repair Kit. Introducing the PentaUSA Tile Grout Repair Kit. This pre-mixed acrylic sanded grout filler is perfect for refreshing your bathroom, shower, and kitchen tiles. It fills cracks, missing sections, and damaged joints, curing into a durable, solid material. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, this kit is incredibly easy to use, even for first-time users. Its low-odor, water-based formula ensures a clean application, and the included scraper makes smoothing and cleanup simple. It touches dry in about 2 hours and fully cures in 24 hours. A single 8.8-ounce tube covers approximately 29 square feet, making it ideal for various home projects. Remember to allow full cure time before water contact for optimal results. This filler creates a water-resistant barrier, guarding against moisture in wet zones like showers and kitchens. It's perfect for refreshing discolored joints and repairing cracked lines, providing a clean white finish. Use it for splash zones and occasional water contact. For deeper gaps, you can apply it in layers, building thickness with multiple thin applications. Its anti-clog nozzle ensures the tube stays sealed and fresh, allowing you to store and reuse it for future touch-ups. It comes in various sizes to suit any project, from small touch-ups to full bathroom renovations. You can also find it in multiple colors to perfectly match your existing tile joints. What we like. This is a convenient pre-mixed acrylic sanded grout filler, perfect for quick touch-ups. Its water-resistant formula and easy-to-use applicator make filling cracks and refreshing grout lines simple. If you need targeted repair for grout gaps or discolored joints without a full renovation, this kit is your go-to. What people say. Number 3. Giani Granite Countertop Paint Kit 2.0 Bombay Black. Give your kitchen a stunning new look in just 1 weekend. This kit makes it easy to update various surfaces, from laminate to traditional granite. Achieve a beautiful, authentic granite finish with just 3 easy steps. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can revitalize your space. Choose from 5 contemporary colors to match your style. It covers up to 35 square feet, perfect for most kitchen countertops. Its 100% acrylic, water-based formula is low odor and low VOC. This high-gloss top coat is durable, food-safe, and designed to last for years. The sponge-on and roll-on application is simple and customizable. Detailed step-by-step instructions are included to guide you through the process. Rest assured knowing that all components of this paint kit are 100% manufactured and packaged right here in the USA. What we like. This kit allows you to transform various surfaces into an authentic granite finish. Its 100% acrylic, low-odor formula ensures a durable, high-gloss, food-safe top coat. If you're looking to upgrade your countertops with a luxurious granite look in a single weekend, this product is specifically designed for you. What people say. Number 2. NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. Give your worn-out tubs, tiles, and countertops a fresh, new look. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to transform your surfaces with ease. Inside, you'll find the compound, hardener, and all necessary tools like brushes, rollers, and even masking film. We've ensured you have every item to start your refinishing project stress-free. Refinishing is incredibly simple. Just mix the two parts together, then apply the mixture smoothly onto your desired surface using the included roller or brush. It dries to a beautiful semi-gloss finish in just 24 hours. For maximum hardness and durability, allow it to fully cure for 7 days before heavy use. This kit is perfect for porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, stone, and plastic. Use it on tubs, tiles, showers, sinks, and vanities in both homes and commercial spaces. Its unique water-based, two-part formula means less odor during application. It delivers a durable, long-lasting finish that is both beautiful and resilient, covering about 50 square feet for 2 coats. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes all the necessary tools for your refinishing project. Its unique water-based, two-part formula has less smell, making application more pleasant. If you're a DIY enthusiast who wants everything included for a hassle-free, low-odor application and a semi-gloss finish, this is an excellent all-in-one solution. What people say. Number 1. NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. Is your tub or tile looking dull and worn? This kit offers a simple and effective way to bring new life to your bathroom without the hassle of replacement. It makes refreshing your space incredibly easy. Inside, you'll find the compound emulsion and hardener, along with a user manual. Just mix the two parts together, then apply the mixture easily with a roller or brush. It's designed for straightforward home improvement. Once applied, the surface dries to a semi-matte finish and is cured in just 24 hours. For maximum hardness and before taking a hot bath, allow a full 7 days for it to completely cure. This ensures a long-lasting result. It's perfect for refinishing porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, stone, and plastic surfaces. Use it on tubs, tiles, showers, vanities, and sinks to achieve a fresh look. This versatile solution works wonders across various materials. This unique water-based, two-part formula has less smell during application. It delivers a durable, long-lasting, and beautiful finish that covers approximately 25 square feet with 2 coats. You'll appreciate its quality and ease of use. What we like. This kit provides a unique water-based, two-part formula with minimal odor during application. It delivers a durable, long-lasting finish in a semi-matte white, perfect for modern aesthetics. If you have a smaller project, already own your tools, and prefer a semi-matte look, this compact and efficient option is ideal. What people say. No positive product details could be extracted as the source JSON for reviews was empty. Therefore, no helpful points could be generated as per instructions to quote from original content. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.